Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can block a country in Cloudflare. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Cloudflare and select your domain, of course. And now that you're here, what you will do is you will click this three dots right here and then go ahead and click configure web application firewall and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will do is look for custom rules or create rule, and then just go ahead and click that and click custom rules. And now what you will have to do is give your rule a descriptive name like this: black specific countries. And then for field, you will just have to click country, and for operator, you will click equals as the operator again. And then you will just have to enter the code or the name of the country that you wish to black. So for example, we want to black Australia, so just go ahead and click that. And then to block multiple countries, you will just have to click the or button to add another expression for each country. And like so, yeah, this right here. And for the set the action, you will just have to choose the action for you will just have to basically choose black, which is right here. And then now you will just have to click deploy. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.